transfer. Just put your bank details here. Let me just say another place, VTU setup. Now, this is just online payment. In case you want to be accepting bank transfer, just put your bank details here. Let me just say UBA, your name, your account number. Do you want to enable withdrawal system? This withdrawal button, do you want to enable it? If you don't want to enable it, you off it, so you disable it. Referral system, do you want to allow people referring on your app? If yes, so you enable it. If you enable it, that may refer any, how much will they earn in percentage? You can see percentage in percent, how much will they earn? 5%. But what's the maximum amount they can earn? Because some people, if you put 5% and they refer someone, they will not collect money. You understand? That's how referral system works. Unless that person you refer funds his or her wallet. That is when you can now collect 5%. I believe you understand that. But the meaning of this place is that some people, they already know that they will collect 5% from someone. They will not tell the person to fund like 200,000 so that their 5% will be huge. Okay, that is why we have to put something here. That maximum any amount. How much is the maximum a person can earn? Even if someone he refers fund his or wallet with 1 million, how much is the maximum you can earn? So you put it here, 1,000. Then you can edit it, change it to any amount you like. Customers portal. These are the services that are available on your app. So you remember that we removed it there. Let me put it back. In case you don't want MTN gifting data, you off it. If you off it, it will not display in your app again. Okay. Alright, now pop-up message. This pop-up message is like a welcome note. When someone opens your app, anything you put here will be displayed to the person. Now, airtime to cash is a service. Airtime to cash is a service. VTU services, we have 6. If you complete that setup for airtime to cash, another service will come down here. Let me show you. Airtime to cash, do you want to add it to your platform? Yes. Your rate, you can use responsively. So, respectively. So, we have MTN is the first, Glow, Airtel, and 9 Mobile. So, what would be your rate, buying rate? If someone has 100 naira, if someone wants to sell MTN 100 naira, how much will you buy it? If someone wants to sell MTN 1,000, how much will you buy it? What rate will you buy it? If it's 90% for MTN, you put 90 here. If for Blue is 80%, you put it here. If for Airtel is 90%, you put it here. If not, for 9 Mobile is 80%, you put it here. Okay? So again, which number will your customer send that airtime to? So you put it number 1, number 2, number 3. So all these number 1, they are your phone numbers for MTN, Blue phone number, Airtel phone number, and 9 Mobile phone number. Once you are done, you click on save. But before you click on save, there is something here. Online payment. This is details for online payment. Visit paystar.com or flutterwave.com to register and go to settings to copy and replace above key. So which means this key you can see is a test. You remember that I found my wallet that time using online payment without entering my card details or without any other method. It's because of this, the key I use here is a test key. All you have to do, go to paystar.com or flutterwave.com, register with them. Make sure your account is live. Then click on settings from menu. Click on API. There's a place called public key. Copy that public key and replace it with this. Remove this one, replace it. You see another place called secret key. Copy that secret key and replace it with this one. Once you do that, you click on save. Then online payment will be available on your app. If someone uses that online payment to pay or to fund his or her wallet, you will receive money, not into your bank account directly. You receive money in your Paystack account, if it is Paystack you are using. You receive money in your Flutterwave account, if it is Flutterwave you are using. Okay? Good. Now, when you receive the money, you receive the money in your account, your Paystack or your Flutterwave account, but they will not send the money to you directly. It's after, let me just say second day. Second day, they will not send the money into your bank account. Okay, so that's how that place works. You remember that I put my bank details, so let me see how it will look like in this place. Fund wallet, bank details, because you remember that bank details field is not empty again, so that's why it shows bank transfer. This is my bank details. So sender's name, amount, how much did you send? Then I send proof. Let me show you. Let me say my name is this, and I send. My name is there, and I send 400. Let me click on send proof. Are you sure you've sent 400 naira to the provided bank details? If your claim is false, you'll be suspended. So I sent. You as a manager, you receive email, and if you come to this transaction, you will see it there again. Now what will you see? Let's wait. You are going to see this thing there. Payment claim. This person claimed to have sent you 400 naira. You as the owner, if you truly receive the money, you click on approve. That is very simple. If you truly receive the money, click on approve, then proceed. So the customer is funded. You can see. Let me refresh here now. It's a 400 will be added. That's 529. That's 529. You can see. Now let me show you airtime to cash. You can see convert airtime to cash is there now. Choose network. You remember that time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put 1, 2, 3, 4. I added all. But here it says if percentage is set to 0%, such network will not be visible. Will not be available. Let's, for example, the last one here is 9 mobile. Let me make it 0%, and let us check our app. If 9 mobile will be seen. Name mobile is not there. So MTN, Glo, Airtel, 90%. If someone to send 1,000, you can see you receive 900 naira. Why? Because you were the one that set 90%. So the program, your app will calculate 90% of this 1,000. And if it is Glo, 80%, so it will calculate 80% of this. You can see is 800. Now enter number you are sending it from. The number you want to send it from, your email address or your bank details. How do you want to receive your money? If you put your email address, that means you receive it here. If you put your bank details, that means it will be sent to your bank details. Let me use my bank details, or I use my email. If it is email address, that means the app owner will send it to your wallet here. So I want to use my bank details. Now, this one, they kindly send your airtime to this phone number. The phone number I provided here. Sorry, that's closed. The phone number I provided at that time, it shows number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So the phone number I provided is it. Now, me as your customer, I will now send the airtime to this phone number. Once I send the airtime, I will fill this form and send the proof. So once I send the proof, you will see. Let me open it. Once I send the proof, you will see it. Okay, so you can see claim to have sent you 1,000 Glo airtime. Either you receive it through email and this place, then you go to admin portal, you will also see it there, like under this place, all transactions, airtime proof. So you can now approve it. You remember that is how much the person sent is 1,000. So you now calculate your own rate. Your own rate should be now 900, and you fund the person with 900 naira. As your own rate is 90%, so you calculate it then 900. You fund the person with 900 naira. Okay? Why? Because the person claimed to have sent you 1,000 naira airtime. So you are the one that will now convert it into your own rate. Then you fund the person with 900 naira. Don't approve the whole money. Just follow what the program says. Let me show you the message again. Go to your app manager. Click on inbox. Now this place says this person claimed to have sent you 1,000 naira glow airtime. So it's 1,000. You are the one that will now convert it. Actually, the person wants to withdraw into UBA this bank details. So you are supposed to send that 900 naira to this bank details. If this email, that's when you just approve it the same way I did. Okay. Now let me go back to admin portal. Under this admin portal, we have price setup. It is in currency. Okay, leave this one. Do you want to offer? If someone wants to buy airtime 100 naira, it's still 100 naira on your platform. If someone wants to buy airtime of 100 naira now, the person will receive 100 naira airtime. But how much will be debited from the customer's wallet is 99 naira. It is not airtime.
Jumia is celebrating 10 years together.
Let us check our app. If Nemoba will be seen. Nemoba is not there. So MTN Glow Airtel 90%. It's 9 mobile. Let me make it. It says if percentage is set to 0, we have one there now. Not be available, be seen. So if someone want to send 1,000, calculate. Now, receive it here. So, sorry, that's closed. Now, provided that time, this form as admin portal, you remember that is as you aimed to have sent you one. It is in currency. Okay. Under this admin portal, we have price setup. Under this admin portal, we have price setup.